Before I put this engine into that motorcycle, I need to pressure test it. These are 1¼ rubber expanding freeze plugs put into stock, not opened up exhaust ports. And I need to close off this side of the engine too, don't I? This thing has been holding steady at that mark right there. Looks a little high to you maybe because this thing starts out, I'll show you in a second, at like 2 or 3. So I have it set at about 9 right now. I made these guys. I really have no idea where I got this thing from. It does what it needs to do. It works. Here's why I took it up to about 9 psi on the gauge. I'll show you its 0 point. That's it. That's where it starts. About 2.5.